my shoes, my clothes, my socks, everything is wet. Hey, what's up guys, Johannes is here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are making new camping video because I will go the place where was Defender, my Defender burning. But I hope you enjoyed. Remember, subscribe my channel. Let's to this year ending we are like 100,000 subscribers, guys. Well, like this video, share this video with your friends. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Burning 3 months ago. This is cup, my coffee, and this. So this was table and many stuff. But yes, anyway. Oh my god, so many my stuff. It's little half broken. We are coming here for fishing, so now have to try to find some place that, because here is showing like this, so I don't know if can stand here. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Here is so nice blueberry, guys. Look at that, so fresh. This is lake is looking a little bad because here is, like you see, we can't go there. Allergy of them. This is pee. Oh my god, there is this, there is house. They are so angry, they are looking me so angry. So I don't know, did I have changed my place of here or waiting little time that they are going relax, make for them like coffee, tea, something. So yes guys, as like you see, I changed this camping place because there was so many. This was not like nice place, not enjoyed. This place is little up and like It's tasting unbelievable. I swear to God. Oh my God. It's best food or best rice with chicken, not chicken, with cheese and tomato and some spinach. I think I become Popeye tonight. So, oh my God, it's tasting so good. My future wife, she's making best food ever. Niin. Like Johannes' life, no fish, no dinner, sleeping, hungry, and tomorrow little angry. So it's okay. Now I go back my place, try to make some noodles. No, it's okay. This is fresh mushroom from forest, from Finnish forest. Mm. Mm. Very good. Many points. Thank you so much if you are watching my video to this point. I'm now going to my bed, making my sleeping bag all ready so I go to sleep. Remember, subscribe my channel and like my video if you like it. Much too. Good night. I see you tomorrow. Good morning. Now it's raining, stopping. My clothes is very wet. Burning part if in camping it's
next part when you are taking everything, every stuff to back and go home. It's feeling really hard. Now I have my clothes is all wet and it's little cold. It's little cold, so I think I have to make now some tea and drinking tea. Then I put off all stuff in car and go home.